everyone, welcome to the Origami Joy channel. Today we are going to fold a cute little frog. You need a square piece of paper. It is best to use colored paper. Alright, let's get started. First, fold it in half from left to right. Unfold. Fold it in half from top to bottom. Unfold. Fold this corner inward. Fold this corner inward as well. Unfold. Turn it over. Fold the left and right sides to the center line. Fold the top edge down to here. Then unfold. Put your finger inside. Pull out the paper from inside. Press it down. Fold this corner up. Fold this one up too. Fold this corner to the right. Fold this corner to the left. Then fold it to the left again. Fold this one to the right. Fold this corner along the dotted line to the right. Do the same with this corner. Fold this part to the left. Do the same on the right side. Then unfold these two corners. Fold along the dotted line again here. Do the same on the right side. Fold this corner down a bit. Fold this corner down a bit too. Then fold along the dotted line downward. Turn it over. Fold upward along the previous crease. Turn it over. Fold here along the dotted line. Do the same on this side. Pick it up. Fold this corner inward. Fold this corner inward too. Turn it over. Fold this corner to the left along the dotted line. The corner and edge should intersect. Do the same on this side. Fold it in half again. Do the same on the left side. Turn it over. Fold upward. Tuck it in. Turn it over. Fold this corner inward. Fold this corner downward too. Fold this corner inward again. Fold this one inward too. Make both sides as symmetrical as possible. Fold it outward again. Next, draw the eyes and mouth. Draw a little face. Alright, our frog is done. Thank you for watching. See you next time, bye bye.